Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to make money online with AliExpress. So you cannot make money directly from AliExpress, but you can use it as a tool to build your online business. And the most common way is dropshipping. So the concept is that you have to list AliExpress product on platforms like Amazon, eBay or Shopify. You have to sell them at higher price that you order it from AliExpress, and when a customer buys from your store, you order the item from AliExpress and shipped straight to your customer. Another way how you can make money on AliExpress is through AliExpress affiliate program. So you have to share special links to products, and when people buy through your link, you earn some small commission. And the third way how you can make money on AliExpress is that you have to buy in bulk. So that means wholesale buying in other words. So you have to order in bulk and resell items locally or on other marketplaces. Also at homepage of AliExpress you can scroll through sections, and you can go to section bulk deals, and here you can see items that could be sold in bulk. So that were the main 3 ways how you can earn money from AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.